So the moment of reckoning, the defining moment is here. Finally booked my dream superbike, a brand new superbike. Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault. Welcome to a really big moment, a big episode. Yes, you read the title right. So I am indeed going to book my brand new superbike. People say that no dream is too big and no dreamer is too small. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. That's something I believe very strongly, and today my dream is going to come alive as I go and book my brand new superbike. Yes, I've owned superbikes before. I've owned an R1, I've owned a CB1000, I've owned a Daytona 675R. So these were classic, legendary, immortal machines, but I never bought a brand new superbike. But today I think the moment has arrived, and this is a big moment to see my dream come alive. And let's hope we are all there to celebrate this moment, and it's all because of your support that you have supported a common man's dream to pursue his passion despite the odds surrounding him. So let's not waste any more time, let's hit the road, and you will be super pumped up for this one. Okay, so there you have it. My all new Yamaha R15M gets complete custom modification. The most important modification happened recently. A dedicated video on that is coming up next. Now here is my garage. Ntorq Scram 411 and the Meteor. My honeymoon with the Scram comes to an end. I'm going to drop this bike back at the workshop. The big decision. You guys might ask, why this sudden decision to buy a brand new superbike? Well, the answer to that is simple. Yes, earlier I just adjusted the camera. Okay, so earlier used bike market was pretty simple and straightforward. The owners used to list their bike for sale. We used to approach them, negotiate the deal and crack it. So if we're good enough, you would get a good steal deal, or else just part ways in a peaceful manner. But now things have changed. The used bike, especially the used super bike market, has a lot of things happening. Especially a lot of super bike sellers are there in the market now. So they are ready to pounce on these steal deals first, and once they get their hands on the machine, now they are actually entitled to sell it with some profit, because at the end of the day they are doing business, they are not doing social service. But now I have noticed that the profit margin that most of the vendors are trying to sell is crazy. So that is something that has made me, convinced me to go for a brand new one. Like if you're paying around 13 to 14 lakhs for a used superbike, might as well pay 2 or 3 lakhs more and get a brand new one. What's the difference? Earlier there was a huge difference. You used to get a used superbike for nearly half the price of the actual price. So that made sense. But now the pricing of these used superbikes is so close to the actual price that doesn't make sense to go and buy a used bike where the tendency of repairs and the uncertainty of the health of the bike, everything is a question mark. No matter how much you do background check and service check and all these things, there's always some kind of question mark lurking underneath. So you don't want to take chances, especially when you're spending a bomb. So especially you're spending more than 10 lakhs, which is not at all a small amount even on this day, and you end up buying a super bike, a used super bike, then you run into problems with the engine or the spares, what's the point in shelling out such a huge sum of money? See, at 10 lakh onwards, you have brilliant, amazing, brand new super bikes available on sale. Might as well pick one of them where you are rest assured that you're getting a brand new bike. There's not going to be any major issue. Even if there is, you're protected by warranty where you can get the parts replaced. So that is what made me convinced that अरे 10 लाख डाल के used bike, 13 लाख 12 लाख डाल के यूज बाइक लेने से अच्छा अपन नया गाड़ी ले लेंगे, टेंशन फ्री, 3-4 लाख और सही, लेकिन टेंशन फ्री लाइफ. सो हियर वी आर एट द वर्कशॉप ड्रॉपिंग द बाइक आफ्टर द रिव्यू. साइड में लगा देंगे. मेरे सर्विस इंचार्ज हाँ इधर मीडिया व्हीकल हैंडेड ओवर. ओके ओके बंडी हैंड ओवर हो गया. बंडी हैंड ओवर हो गया. 3 languages तेलुगु, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. बट एनीवे, सो नाउ वी आर इन सर्च ऑफ शुगर केन जूस डेस्परेटली बिकॉज ग्लूकोज लेवल्स बहुत कम हो गए. हम लोग का डिहाइड्रेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. एंड शुगर केन जूस समर में मैंडेटरी एंड डिटॉक्स, लिवर डिटॉक्स का भी हम लोग अभी ख्याल रख रहे. सो डिनो भाई हैज बिकम हेल्थ कॉन्शियस. सो लीवर डिटॉक्स के लिए कैरेट जूस डेली. भाभी का वीडियो देखना. अरे ये लस्सी और फलूडा है जी. शुगर केन जूस. हाँ शुगर केन हाँ. है ना, कहीं से तो भी फूड के बारे में बहुत शार्प है. विक्की मियाँ फूड के सिलसिले में बहुत शार्प है. हाँ उन्हें स्कैन कर लेता दूर दूर से. तमिल शुगर केन जूस विदाउट आइस. Okay guys, so we've dropped the bike at the store. Now heading to our home at SR Nagar. अरे डिनो भाई का SR नगर में भी घर है क्या? Yes, you don't know, डिनो भाई is multi-billionaire and millionaire. तो अभी जल्द ही soon we'll park a Lamborghini next to Nissan's Lamborghini. वो चाहे डाइकास्ट मॉडल क्यों ना हो फिर भी. सो अपने मल्टी मिलियनर होम को जाने से पहले या स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड बी पॉजिटिव. ये समर के टाइम पे शुगर केन जूस ज़्यादा पिया करो. अरे जहाँ देखो वहाँ पे शुगर केन ही दिख रहा. सो एंड या जोक्स असाइड, फॉर liver detox, sugar cane juice and carrot juice really work, is what I got to know from my fitness friends. Here we go, and here we come. Meeting my uncle and aunt for some important family work. Okay. Shoelace ka test. This is a home in SR Nagar. Hope you can see it. Okay, let's get in. घर का काम खत्म. We are on the way to the showroom. Now, the place where we are headed, there's a whole lineup of showrooms. BMW Motorrad, Triumph, Kawasaki, Honda Big Wing Top Line and Ducati. So I can pick one from any of the showrooms. So I'm going to cut off and end the vlog here, or maybe I can show you the booking envelope also once I have booked, but the exact brand will not be disclosed now. It will be open for you to start guessing in the comment section which super bike Dino Bhai is going to book. And yeah, even Suzuki is close by from this place. The same route leads to Suzuki big bike showroom also, so it can be either one. It can be a Suzuki, it can be BMW Motorrad, it can be Triumph, it can be Honda, or it can be Kawasaki, or it can be Ducati. So which one is it going to be? Start guessing. So the moment of reckoning, the defining moment is here. Finally booked my dream super bike, a brand new super bike. And kind of, let me give you a hint, because I have not revealed anything to you guys, but it's a liter class, so start guessing, and it is going to be absolute fun. And looking for this big moment. Hopefully day after tomorrow is the day when I'll be taking the delivery. And here is the official booking that's done, and the brand is not revealed purposely, on purpose. So let's keep the excitement going, and day after tomorrow there's going to be a packed house at the showroom, because location will be disclosed. And yeah, so finally Dil Khush Ho Gaya Dino Bhai ka, and the dream is going to come true. And that's because of God's grace and the love that is shown from you guys. Thank you.